Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Layla who loved to plant seeds in her garden. One sunny morning, she planted a tiny sunflower seed in the soft brown soil. She watered it carefully and smiled, imagining the beautiful yellow flower that would grow. Layla ran to check on her seed every single hour, hoping to see something magical happen right away. But when Layla looked at the soil, she saw nothing. No green leaves, no tall stem, no bright petals, just dirt. She felt sad and wondered if her seed would ever grow. Her grandmother sat beside her on the garden bench and said gently, "There is wisdom in a special teaching that says, 'Indeed, Allah is with those who are patient,' from Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 153. Sometimes the best things take time, dear one." Layla decided to keep watering her seed every day, even though she couldn't see anything happening yet. She sang little songs to her garden and told her seed about her day at school. Days passed, then a whole week went by. Layla almost gave up, but she remembered her grandmother's words about patience. She kept caring for her garden with hope in her heart. Then, one beautiful morning, Layla saw something amazing. A tiny green sprout had pushed through the soil, reaching toward the sunshine. She jumped with joy and called her grandmother to see. Over the next few weeks, the sprout grew taller and taller, developing leaves and finally a gorgeous yellow sunflower that towered above them both. Layla learned that patience is like magic. Good things grow when we wait with hope and keep doing our best. Just like her sunflower needed time to grow strong and beautiful, many wonderful things in life need patience too. And Layla never forgot that Allah is always with those who are patient, helping them through every waiting moment.